Welcome from TFT4 Animals, Baby J. Let's go.
Ready, bro?
Yeah, little mama, you looking good. I see you wanna play with a player from the hood. Come holler at me, you got it like that.
Wow.
Big Snoop Dogg.
Wow, grabe, hot na hot ng dating.
How I go that? Yeah, I wanna throw that. Me and you one-on-one, treat it like a show that.
Manang-mana sa mami.
When I look at you, I'm reaching for your shirt. What
Ayan.
you want me to do?
Lahat po na nagpapagta siya kay Baby J. Ayan na siya, bumanat na. Grabe. Ang swerte ng mga jowa na ito. Ang gagaling gumiling. Talagang mapapa-oh shit. Grabe, ang gagaling.
You see, this goes off on me. Coming from the speed, I'm about to blow. I don't think
Grabe, ang gagaling.
I need a loosen up my buttons, baby. But you keep running. Say what you want.
Parang pila-pilma yung tugtog pag gaganyan, no?
I ain't seen nothing. I'm telling you to loosen up my buttons, baby. But you keep running. Say what you gon' do to me. But I ain't seen nothing. You say you're a big boy, but I can't agree. 'Cause the love you said you had ain't been put on me. I wonder if I'm just too much for you. Wonder if kiss don't make you just wonder. When I get next for you, what you wanna do? Take a chance to recognize.
Grabe, ang gagaling.
Could be yours. I can see just like those guys that your game don't because you see this goes off on me. Coming from the speed, I'm about to blow. I don't think you know. I'm telling you to loosen up.
Wow, grabe.
But you keep running.
Grabe.
What you gon' do to me? But I ain't seen nothing. I'm telling you to loosen up my buttons, baby. But you keep running. Say what you gon' do to me? But I ain't seen nothing.
Now you can get what you want, but I need what I need. Now let me tell you what's cracking like it before I proceed. I'ma show you where to put it. PC.
Grabe, grabe, grabe. No, talagang pinayanig mo ang buong live natin. Grabe, nakaka-proud, no? Yun, talagang pag ito ang umibabaw kay Judge Juan, talagang putok talaga mga gata-gata na ito. No? Okay.
Teka lang, Dada. Teka lang.
Sige, Mi.
Ay, kunyeta, ka may talent ka pala. Bakit mo ngayon lang nilabas?
Ayaw nyo kasing explore yung mga anak-anakan nyo. Sabi ko sa inyo, di ba? Alamin nyo yung mga talento nila. Di ba? Kita mo naman, grabe. Daman-dama mo yung tugtog sa flow ng ano niya, no? Ng katawan niya, grabe. Labas talaga ang gata nito. Kaya yun, sige, pwede ka na mamili, anak Jean, sa ano, ating mga orado. Ayan, Judge 1, 2, and 3.
Judge number 1 po.
Number 1, talaga mabenta si Judge 1. Okay, sige, Judge 1.
Ayan, shout out. Sino nanay mo? Pasalihin mo nga dito yung kung sino yung nanay mo. Like mother, like son daw eh. So, ayun, gusto yung performance mo. Siguro wala akong masabi sa performance mo. Ayun, yun na.
Grabe, grabe, no? Okay, yun. Sige, dadako naman tayo sa ating pa-press, no? 1 minuto, guys. Press 27 sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta, nagalingan na sarapan. Kay Baby J. Let's go! Yan, habang hinihintay natin yung 1 minuto. Ayan, pwede ka na magpasalamat, bumate, anak Baby Jane. Yan, press 27 lang, press 27.
Shout out pala sa sa lahat ng PFT and kay Mami Kit, happy birthday, and sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa akin. Thank you po. Okay na po.
Okay. Yan. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Okay. Tabulator, ilan yung press niya?
But you keep running. Say what you gon' do.
Okay, 19. Okay. Yan, maraming salamat sa iyo, Baby Jane. Naway sumali ka pa sa mga ibang event. Huwag mong i-keep or itago yung talent mo. No, i-show mo siya kasi sayang. Parang huwag mo hayaang maburo siya dyan. Okay, grabe, ang galing. Okay, kita niyo naman guys, di ba? Ang galing ni Baby Jane. Okay, yan,